Hello with Team OMie, and today I'm going to show you how to make some avocado ice cream. This is a healthier version of the traditional ice cream. So now I'm going to show you what you're going to need for this recipe. So you're going to need 2 ripe avocados, a pinch of salt, a half cup of honey, 1 3/4 cup of coconut milk, and you're going to need a cup of fresh mint leaves, which we're about to go pick. So we're out here on this beautiful day, and now we're gonna pick some fresh mint leaves, and you're gonna need a cup of these.
Memory lane, isn't that too far away from our hearts? Yeah. The ones we keep close, we should never let go. So tell me who you love, baby.
So now we're gonna cut our ripe avocados. Make sure that you have adult supervision when doing this. So how I like to cut my avocados is I just like to cut all the way down till I feel the nut. And then you just twist it and you open it right up like this. So let's do the second one.
I don't see ya. These days I don't work.
So we are now going to start putting the stuff together to blend on the blender. So you're just going to need a big blender cup. And we're just going to start by scooping out our avocado.
Breathe slow, baby, yeah.
To take our coconut milk and measure out 1 3/4 cup.
I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see, yeah. These days I don't worry about much. I think we should take a hit and still finish in one, yeah.
Okay, so now we're going to do a pinch of salt. So I'm just going to put a little bit on my hand and just put that in there. And then we are going to do a half cup of honey. And then we are going to dump in all of our mint leaves. So as you can see, we had a little bit of an overflow, but you know, in anything you have to adapt and overcome any barrier. So we're gonna go ahead and pour it into this one. So now it's time to blend it until it gets smooth. Now we're going to take our blended ice cream and we're going to dump it in a glass bowl. Okay, so now we're going to take some plastic wrap and we're going to cover our bowl. Okay, so now we're going to put it in the freezer. About every 2 hours, you're going to want to mix it. And then when you keep checking on it, you're just going to want to look for that ice cream texture. So now that we're done making our avocado ice cream, it is super important to clean up after yourself when you are done baking or cooking. So we are going to take our homemade natural cleaning spray and we are going to spray and wipe down the counters.
I don't see ya. These days I don't worry about much. I think we should have some more fun.
So now it has been a couple of hours as our avocado ice cream has been in the freezer, so we're gonna give it a good mix. Yummy! So thank you guys all for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, subscribe, and give this video a big thumbs up. And I really hope you enjoy your avocado ice cream. Bye!